me see. Can I see that?
Yep.
This is a yellow monster truck. Wow. Go ahead. I'm following. Oh, you're gonna... Ew. You put it in the water? What are you gonna do now? Ooh. You're driving it in it? Here, come up here. Let's race these. Ready? One. Let's push the button on them. Push them. Good job. All right, let's race. 1, 2, 3. And what are you doing, Baylor? Are you outside with Mommy and brother? Yes. That's wrong. That is a nice truck. Where are you going? Huh? Whoa. You got a blue tractor and Mommy's got a red tractor. So here, put them on top. Put the rocks on top. Put the rocks on there. Put them on there. Put a whole bunch on there, and let's see if he'll carry them. Whoa. Oh, it wrecked. Did the tractor wreck? How many tractors do you have? You say 1 and 2. Oh, it wrecked. Oh no, that one's not working. Let's try the red one, see if that one will work. Oh no. Whoa! He tried to jump over him? Ooh. Oh! That truck is super cool. Oh no, did he wreck? Did he flip over? Oh, put some rocks in the back. Cool. Yeah, get your rock. That's a heavy load. Uh-oh. Hey, look. We'll get some rocks. Shut the tailgate. Ooh, let's put a stick in there. That's awesome. Good deal. Yay! Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright, let's go dump it. Put it in the water. Go. This is Brentley's favorite part. Put it in the water. Oh, there you go. Good job. Good job.
You gonna put your truck in there?
Yeah, thumbs up. Alright, we're getting the trucks muddy. Let me see him drive. Say vroom. Whoa. Ew. Did you splash yourself? Brentley, do you like being outside playing?
Nope.
No? I think you do. Brentley, look, there's ants over here. You're wrecking them into the mud?
Yeah.
that's so much fun. That is so much fun.